The thunderstorm. What is a community? A community is a group of people who share something in common, like living near one another or doing the same activity. People who belong to a community care for each other and work together to accomplish their goals. What kind of groups or communities do you belong to? In this story, some kids have to work together with others to do something to help their community. As you listen to this story, pay attention to what the characters do to show that they are a community. Jeremy stood quietly in the dark, watching the rain beat against his bedroom window. When lightning crackled, brightening the night sky, he saw the great oak tree in the middle of the park across the street. He hoped that one of his friends had closed the treehouse curtains before they left that afternoon. Kaboom! Thunder rolled loudly through the clouds, and Jeremy jumped into bed, pulling the covers up over his head and hoping that the thunderstorm would be over soon. The next morning, Jeremy quickly finished his breakfast and headed to the park. He walked carefully around mud puddles and stepped over broken branches scattered everywhere. Up ahead, he could see a bush that had been completely uprooted from the ground. Hi, Jeremy. Are you here to help clean up the park? It was Miss Denny, the principal of Harmony Street School. There are lots of people from the neighborhood here already, she said, but there is still plenty of work to do. I'm going to clean up the treehouse first, answered Jeremy. Miss Denny nodded. Good idea, she said. I saw some of your friends there already. Up in the treehouse, Gabriel and Kim picked up the toys and books that had been scattered around the room by the strong winds of the thunderstorm. They put everything into a big toy chest and pushed it into a corner so they could sweep the floor. Gabriel glanced out the window and saw some of his friends at the playground, raking leaves and sticks out of the sand. There are so many people pitching in to clean up the park today, he said in amazement. When Jeremy arrived at the treehouse, Gabriel was just climbing onto a chair to open the curtains. I'll hold the chair for you so it doesn't tip, offered Jeremy. The three kids picked up the rest of the toys, shook out the blankets, and pushed all of the chairs back into place. I'm glad you came, Jeremy, said Kim. We wouldn't have been able to clean up this mess so quickly without you. Suddenly, the kids heard a voice calling from below. I've got the trash bags. Kim popped her head out of the window. Hi, Kayla. We are just finished cleaning up the treehouse. Well, hurry up and come down, said Kayla. It's still a mess out here. The kids climbed down the ladder and each took a bag. As they started walking and picking up trash, the kids saw all kinds of people working together at the park. Parents and kids, teachers and neighbors. They were clearing broken branches, untangling the swing set chains, and fixing signs that had fallen over. Others were in the garden areas, replanting the shrubs and flowers that had been pulled from the ground. The kids stopped to help carry some buckets full of dirt over to them. Hey kids, come on over to the ball fields, called Miss Denny. The ice cream truck is here with treats for everyone who has been cleaning up all day. We have all worked so hard together to get the park back into good shape. Come join us. Awesome! Cheered the kids. The kids gathered around the ice cream truck with their friends and neighbors, celebrating everything they had accomplished together. The ice cream was sweet and cool, and tasted especially good after the long day of work. The sky was clear and blue after the rain, and the park looked like a place for the whole community to enjoy together again.
Your silly smiles bring me laughter. That's how we are together. Side by side, you and I, in all kinds of weather. I feel connected, I feel accepted, I feel like I belong here. Oh, you listen to me, you hear what I say, you tell me that I'm awesome, and I feel special.